vanity upon vanity. This man died, and he thought he can carry his wealth to the afterlife. You could see the remains of this person. You will see shortly what these excavators have found out in this grave. Look at the ring, very expensive ring. Look at the gold chain. He thought he can go with them to the afterlife. And inside this box, you can see the expensive watches inside this box. He thinks he can go with them to the afterlife. You can see so many things that I believe this person have instructed they should bury him with. Man, that is man. Vanity upon vanity. That is life. Whatever we are struggling in this life, we cannot carry it to wherever you are going, whether it's heaven or hell. You can't carry them there. Let us love one another. Let us help people in need with our wealth. Because whatever we gather in this life, we cannot take it. This man has gone. He has gone forever. And thinking his wealth, he can go with it to the afterlife. Look at how this suitcase is sealed and closed. They have to use something to open it. Can you see money? Even money, his money. Can you see money? Money, money, money. That is man. Wickedness. Wickedness. Can you see money? He thought he can go with his wealth. In this life, there is nothing in this life. Look at, even gone. Even gone. There is nothing in this life. Can you see? Wow. 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 Can you see? Wow. Wow. My brothers and sisters, hold on to Jesus. There is nothing in this life. Jesus is the only way. Jesus is the only assurance to heaven. Give your life to Jesus now. God bless you.